Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by finding the exact image on Google Images. Click it to open the preview and identify the host page because Google indexes copies, not originals. Once done, note the URL and the site that serves the image, and make sure you have login access to that host or can contact the owner. You need this to request removal or edit metadata. Without control of the source, Google's index will simply keep a cached reference, so act at the source first. You now take concrete removal steps. If you manage the site, delete the image, remove links, and return a 404 or replace with new content so search bots drop it. If you do not control the host, contact the webmaster with clear proof and a takedown request. Save your messages. After source removal or when legal grounds apply, submit a Google Remove Outdated Content or Legal Removal request. This tells Google to recrawl and drop the indexed image from results. You finish by verifying the result. Use site example. Com and Google Images searches to confirm removal and run the Remove Outdated Content tool to prompt reindexing. Make sure to clear your browser cache and wait. Changes can take hours to weeks depending on crawling. If the image persists, escalate. File a formal privacy or copyright removal with Google or seek legal relief if necessary. Finally, keep records of every action and correspondence, in case you need to prove the timeline later.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.